What's up, guys? It's day 209. Let's check the weight. 230 pounds. Not bad. Let's go get some food. It's 9 o'clock. Got breakfast here. It's looking pretty good. Got 2 protein waffles with some bananas on top, maple syrup, and some cinnamon. Also put some chocolate on there too, right on the bottom. Should be around 600 calories. This has around 40 grams of protein. It's delicious. It really matters what kind of protein you put in there. You gotta find something that tastes good. I'll try on this. I'll catch you guys later. What's up, guys? It's currently 4:47. Got some Chipotle here. I got a bowl this time with some double white rice, double black beans, honey chicken, green salsa, sour cream cheese, and some corn. It should be around like 1,000 calories, like 1,200 calories. If you want more calories, you should definitely get a double wrapped burrito because 2 tortillas is 600 calories. So the calorie per dollar is even better. I'll chart on this. I'll catch you guys later. We got roof axes. For sure. Oh, this is sick. Yo. Haven't been up here since first semester. Alright, there we go. What's up, guys? It's currently 7 o'clock. Just hit some, ooh, back and biceps. 2 workouts for back. Just 1 workout for biceps. Let's do frontal bicep. Back to the bicep. Chest pose. Right side tricep pose is pretty hard for me to hit. Catch you guys back at home. What's up, guys? It's currently 9:06. I got the last meal of the day here. Classic meal. I got some chicken and rice, around 200 grams of white rice with around 400 grams of cooked chicken thighs, a tablespoon of olive oil, some buffalo sauce. Should be around 1,000 calories. In total, today I ate around 3,500 calories with a really good amount of protein, an okay amount of carbs, and like around 100 grams of fat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.